What's going on, guys? How about another little welding with Kelly episode? What we got here is I'm in here and or something. Anyway, it's a SIG 542 from the folding stock kits, and we're starting to put it together. Just now got this fit to the trunnion. I welded up too far right there. I'll fix that on the next one. You can't see it, but figured something was funky because here's one I haven't demilled yet, so I'll make sure to stop there on the next one. We got our top plug weld in. I'm gonna have to clean out that hole for the piston sleeve to go in, but you can't, once it's finished, you can't see it anyway. But just we know it's there. So just getting started. All I've done is I demilled, I pulled the receiver shell off of here. I cut out there for the scope mount. We've got our front welded, we got our top spots in, and then I'm starting to play with the rails right here. Got a little work to do back there, get those going. And this thing, man, short of the everything that's got to happen in here, this seems like a pretty easy kit to build. I did a little pre-game with my welder on some coupons. You see where it started, and then I guess the wind was getting me there or something. I'm not sure what happened, but anyway. So we got weld down both sides. May not be pretty, but it's pretty okay. So this right here is a little sticky in there, so we need to adjust that a little bit. I think it has to do with the rails, but we're gonna have to go through and get those done and just work our way back. So let's see here, we got our rear lug cut off, demilled. If you look, there's a thicker side and a thinner side. The thinner side goes to the rear, so it goes like that right there. I got my rear sight cut off. And I've got a section I haven't demilled yet. So we'll figure out where that goes. Somewhere along right there. So we'll get that figured out. I haven't demilled this one for that reason. So yeah, this is just a little movement on the 542 kit, a little welding. It's pretty hot and humid today, but we're gonna try to get this thing done this weekend and parkerized. So this is the beginning of it.